Tired of planting the same veggies every single year only just to watch them die in the frost or the heat? Right then, we've been sweating and digging lately, and my back feels like it's been sat on by a cave troll. Now, some might say gardening is hard work, but every proper hobbit knows that the goal of all this toil is to eventually sit down and enjoy the view and a coffee. Today, we're planting the legacy crops. So we're looking for those stout, hardy friends that we plant once and then your grandkids will be picking long after you've gone to the Grey Havens. It's about being wise with your time today so you can be properly busy with absolutely nothing tomorrow. Cave spider. First we have is asparagus. Now, these roots look a bit like cave spiders, but don't let that put you off. This is a lesson in hobbit patience. You don't harvest these this season or next year. Just like the hair on hobbit feet, they take time to grow. You dig a deep trench, tuck them in with some good compost, and you let them find their feet. It's an investment in your future 11sies. Once they're settled, they'll pop up to greet you every spring for 20 years or more. It's a plant that keeps on giving, provided you aren't in a hurry. So, as Treebeard would say, don't be hasty. The sweet potato. Next, we have sweet potato. Now, some folk are going to say rhubarb is the way to go, but in this heat, it'll wilt faster than a hobbit late for tea. In the law of the land, we like to make one plant do many jobs. This isn't just a root for the larder, it's a living carpet. It covers the soil so the sun doesn't bake the life out of it, and chokes out the weeds so I don't have to spend my afternoons pulling them. It protects the earth, smothers the competition, and turns into a feast. That's what I call a proper triple threat plant, or stacking functions. Then we have the blueberries. These are particular spirits, a bit like the Sackville Bagginses. If the soil is not to their liking, they'll complain until they turn their toes up. Most of our soil is a little bit too sweet for them, alkaline. Instead of fighting a war with the whole field, which the earth usually wins, we put them in these pots. It's a micro-kingdom in a bucket. By using a bit of pine bark or pine needles to keep them sour and happy, we can grow them right here at our back door. It's so much easier to change the soil in a pot than to try and change the chemistry of the whole Shire. Well, I think so. Now, here's a little bit of wizardly wisdom for your layout. The path of least resistance. You see these blueberries? I put them right here at my back door. This is my first circle. If I have to walk to the far ends of the property just to check a bush, I'm liable to forget. But here, as I step out for my morning brew, I can see if they need a drink. Put your most finicky magic where your eyes land every single day. Design your gardens to serve your lifestyle. And you'll find that you have much more time for second breakfast.
My back feels like a stone troll sat upon it. Been turning earth and digging since the dawn. But a hobbit knows the secret to the labor. Is planting something once and carrying on. We're putting in the legacy today, boys. The kind that greets the spring for 20 years. So grab a spade and settle in the dirt now. And soon enough we'll settle with our beers. Oh, plant it once and let the roots run deep. A living carpet where the shadows sleep from the spider crowns.
So, find a corner of your patch. Put something in the soil that intends to stay there and give it a name. I think I'll call this blueberry Old Toby. Thank you for wandering through the weeds with me. If you're enjoying the journey of turning this patch into a proper Shire wood, hit that like and subscribe button and join the troops. Until next time, may your gardens be green and your tea be hot. Cheers. Hello Winston, how are you my friend? Yes, I'm trying to film and you're on camera, trying to steal the show from me. This is not Winston the Green Permaculture, is it? No, it's not Winston the Green Permaculture, it's Gazza the Green. Now get out of my shot! Doofus. We've got a live cave troll found in the wild. It's like having a spider.
He's gone.
Are you taking pictures? Oh, that'll do, boy. That'll do, lad. That'll do.